Okay, we're looking at the first year core textbook, mixed exercise 8, and we're on question 4. This is actually quite similar to question 3 if you've done that one. Okay, so they're saying that if x is small, we can ignore x cubed and higher. So when I expand these brackets out, so this is where my binomial expansion is going to come in. So when I'm doing this 3 plus x to the power of 4, I only need to go up to the x squared term. Okay, so you do get the binomial expansion formula. So for us, a is 3, b is x, and n is 4. Just looking at that there. So it's going to be a to the power of n plus n choose 1. And then the power of a is going to reduce by 1, and I'm going to multiply by x. And I tend to not put multiplication signs because it just makes the whole thing look longer and harder to read back. So then it's going to be 4 choose 2. The power of a is going to reduce by 1, and the power of b is going to increase by 1. And I don't need to go any higher than that because we're ignoring any terms that are x cubed or higher. So just need to simplify that. So 3 to the power of 4. Okay, then it's 4 choose 1, so that's just 4 times 3 cubed. 4 choose 2 times 3 squared, so times 9. No negatives or anything to worry about for this one. Okay, so that's those brackets expanded. So what they wanted was 2 minus x multiplied by those brackets. Obviously it does carry on, but we just don't need any of the higher powers. So times 108x plus 54x squared. Okay, so and you can do this however you like. If you prefer to use grid method to multiply brackets, that's fine. I am going to multiply 3 by the 2, so 2 times 81 plus 2 times 108x plus 2 times 54x squared, and then I'm going to multiply 3 by the minus x, so just be careful with that minus. So minus 81x minus 108x squared minus 54x cubed. So I just got to simplify all this, and then not forgetting that powers of x cubed or higher can be ignored, so he's gone. So I've got 162, and then for my x terms, I've got 216x minus 81, so 135x, and then for my x squared terms, oh, that's gone. So we'll check my answer, but I would be getting that a is 162. So just looking at these values here, b is 135, unless I've gone wrong somewhere. I'm getting c is 0. Let's just check that. 162, 135, and 0, lovely.